Hi everyone, I'm Ismail, and in this video, I'm going to show how we can create a software application which is non-functional using Canva AI. As we all know, recently Canva released a feature code AI in Canva. Through this, we can create a website and applications easily. Let's do it now. First, go to Browser and go to Canva, and we are in Canva now. Let's select Canva AI, and I have already created a prompt for this application. And I paste it in now and click Enter, and let's start creating the application. It will take time to complete the task, and let's relax and wait for the output. See, it is taking time and starting coding already. Let me know, what do you think about the Canva AI feature?